But whichever language you take part, the value of the Mass is same, because that Mass is not offered by the priest. The Mass is of Jesus, the priest with the people. As a community we celebrate. We have to understand the importance of Eucharist. As I said, it is not a ritual. It is a sacred, divine celebration in the form of bread and wine, which we offer. Jesus transforms them into his body and blood, and with faith we accept it. Ideally speaking, it should have been in both species, consecrated host and the consecrated wine. But it is not practical, therefore in larger groups it is given only in warm form, the sacred body. Whether you receive the sacred body or sacred blood, you receive Jesus. This first we must understand. Second, we must give the due reverence and respect to the Eucharist. One cannot come at any time, and our people enter at times after the penitential rite is over, while doing the first reading, second reading, gospel reading, people enter in the church and they think they have participated. No, no, no. If a president comes and you have been invited, forget about president. If the governor invites you for a function, there is the invitation and it is printed there. Be seated. Half an hour before, you have to be there. Afterwards, the security will not allow you to enter. Of course, you cannot enter after the president comes or the governor comes. That much respect we give to the president and governor, who are worldly people. But for Jesus, our God, our Savior, no respect. Let us think about this.